Hey everybody, I'm gonna do a quick live. I'm at the airport flying back from the Virgin Islands to LA. But I just did a cool trade and I wanted to share this with you guys. So let me share my screen here. Um, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple different things. Okay, so today's Friday, December 18th, and I made a trade just now on Tesla, and I want to show that to you guys. Okay, so here's Tesla. Here's the current price. This is my account holdings, and so this shows like the current price 671.70. Right, that's where it's trading. Here's a chart of Tesla. Let's just take a quick look. Tesla's like one of my favorite stocks to trade. Here's the past 1 year. Each bar represents a day, right? So green bar is an up day, represented by being a higher value than the prior day, and red is down. Okay, so Tesla has been doing very well. It split 5 for 1 not long ago, back in September. And today is the 18th. Right now it's 2 p.m. Atlantic time, so it's 1 p.m. Eastern time. So there's 3 more hours to go until the market closes. And today is Friday, so I am looking at a Friday, December 18th, which is today, a 615 put. And the reason why I was looking at that is because right now I have 300 shares at an average of 615.66. But these shares are most likely going to be assigned today. And the reason why is because I have these open calls. So 625, 635, 640 calls that expire today. And because the price is trading at 670, obviously right at the moment they're in the money, they will likely end up in the money at the close. So what I did was I sold a 615 put that expires today if it does dip back down, which I don't think it will. Um, but check it out. I sold it for $287. Right now it's still trading at 269 last trade, 2.69 times 100, $269. You'll see the delta is 0.009. That means that there's less than 1% likelihood that Tesla is going to go from where it's trading now, 672, to 615 between now and 4 o'clock Eastern time, which is only 3 more hours. It's probably not going to happen. And assuming that it doesn't, you just keep the premium that you collect, which for me was $287. So it's very, very short term, high rate of return. Who wouldn't want to make $287 in 3 hours time? Now, worst case scenario, Tesla drops like a rock in the next 3 hours. I don't think it will because it's up almost 3% right now, 2.68%. But let's say it did. When you sell a put, what you're committing to is if it's 615 or lower between now and the close of today, I'm going to buy 100 shares at 615, and I'm okay doing that because I like Tesla. And if I didn't happen to do that, I would just sell a covered call against it next week. So my son's making fun of me because I'm doing a video. So my point is that it's an easy $287. And let's talk about like a rate of return also. So I use a spreadsheet. Let's see, this spreadsheet here. And this spreadsheet will show your rate of return. Did I already do this? No. Tesla. Today is 12/18. And I'm looking at a 12/18 expiration. Sometimes it doesn't really come out proper, so I'm just going to put 12/19. Margin on this trade is, I always check the margin by hitting the advanced tab, hitting the margin box. Margin is 13,405. Now margin is going to be different depending on what type of an account you have and that sort of thing, but I'm just showing you for illustration purposes. Okay, I'll do another video on margin. Actually, I think I do have other videos on margin. Tesla 67367. And I have other videos on the spreadsheet as well. Implied volatility is 209. That means the volatility is super, super high, right? So my margin is 13,000. I'm making $287. I'm holding it for just a few hours. I put 1 day in here, but I'm holding it literally 3 hours. Assuming that it expires worthless, which it most likely will because the delta is 1. Again, there's a 1% likelihood it's going to go from where it's trading now to 6:15 between now and 4 o'clock. It would have to actually drop 8, almost 9%. So right now, Tesla is up 2.74%. It would have to be down. It would have to go down 8.7% from here. So it's not likely. My annualized rate of return is 781%. This is why that many people can and do make excessively high returns on a consistent basis. So anyway, that was just a quick video. I'm going to put this on my new Facebook page. A few new people in the group, and I hope this helps. Please put a comment on the page if you have questions. We do have weekly, I don't want to say coaching. Coaching is such a overused word. Weekly strategy sessions, where I do screen sharing and things like this. So if you're not in that program and you're interested, please let me know, and I'm happy to give you details. But I hope this helps. As you can see, another thing that I look at is right now I'm up 1.2% on today. And I always compare that to the market. SPY is down about 0.5%. So very, very cool. So anyway, hope this helps. Cheers.